Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, before I go in depth on what we should be expecting on gold for today, which is for the 27th, right? So I want to let you guys know that now the Patreon channel is not available. So those of you that are having trouble accessing the Patreon channel, you can now access it because they will be putting out high probability trade. Remember, trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is the type of trade we will be putting on that Patreon channel. So these are a couple of trades we actually took yesterday and the first day, Monday and Tuesday, by the way. So this on September 25th, we took a trade on GBP USD. Take a look at it, September 25th, we also took a trade on EuroCAD. Both of them actually hit our profits. We also took a trade on September 26th, that is on Tuesday, on GBP USD, which actually hit our profits. So on Wednesday, we will be looking to take another trade. So basically, guys, if you are interested, you can now subscribe and you can now get it at a 40% discount rate is currently running. 40% discount rate is currently running, which will be, which will soon end anytime soon. It will end anytime soon. So then it will go back to its initial price. So if you're interested, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section below. Now back to this our analysis on gold. We clearly can see that gold is literally on a downtrend move. I mean, if you have been following my channel consistently, you would have been seeing it. I've been saying it over and over again that gold will continue to drop. I mean, if you have to zoom it out, I'll say it again. This resistance level here, this will be taken as the support level here. We will take this top to be the resistance, this bottom to be the support, this top will be the resistance level. So guess what are we expecting next? We'll be expecting a movement to the support level. So that is in the long run. By next year, that is it. Next year, be expecting gold to drop to a level of 17,000, at around a level of 17,000 to a level of 16,000 plus. So we'll be in the long run, gold should be dropping. But right now, our movement is of recent movement. You will see that gold has literally dropped massively. There's one thing I want you guys to know is that once you see a massive drop, be very, very careful by jumping in on going to sell, because anytime soon, price will start giving that correction. If you're one of those traders that go ahead and take that sell because you see, oh, this is a very massive drop, this is a massive drop, this is a massive drop, you now think, okay, market will continue to go down, and you go ahead and sell. Unfortunately, price now start pulling back, then you are going to get stopped out. So I mean, the move have already been made already. Gold move have already been made. There's nothing you can do again. All you just have to do is wait for a correction or a pullback. Then you can go ahead and sell. Once you take your sell at this level, the chances of you being stopped out is very, very high. Now, can gold actually continue the downward movement? Absolutely yes. There's nothing, gold can actually do that. We can't rule the fact out. But but this is a massive drop and a pullback needs to follow. So the chances of you selling at this current level right now, the chances of you, losing is very, very high. So you just want to wait for a pullback before you sell. Probably let's see if this pullback will come to this our 1 hour time frame level here. If this pullback can come, maybe we get a confirmation, then we will go ahead and sell. So we are going to cover more on this on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested and you trade gold, if you're interested in trading gold, right? All you just have to do is go to the comment section. You'll see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe to the Patreon channel and you get access to this trade.